As we learn more and more about the dangers of plastics, a lot of corporations have been switching from single-use plastic materials to single-use compostable materials. Compostables are problematic for many reasons. One, if you put these compostables with the regular recycling, you're contaminating it. Two, these compostable materials are hard to compost. They really break down in industrial facilities only. There are not that many industrial composting facilities across the US. People don't have access to them. And even in places that do have access, the actual composters don't want the material. Several years ago, composters serving Oregon put out this public letter saying, "We don't want compostable packaging and serviceware. They are bulky, they take up a lot of space, they don't break down necessarily as advertised, they don't add nutritional value to the finished compost, and they actually eliminate a huge end market for the finished compost because you can't sell that finished compost as organic if you're accepting compostables." Compostables are also assumed to be better environmentally than other single-use materials, but that doesn't actually hold up to the scientific literature. The Oregon DEQ studied this in 2018, and they found in the majority of the comparisons, using compostable materials and composting them was found to result in higher environmental impacts than using non-compostable materials. One of the reasons is you're taking food stock, right? These are made from plants, and converting them into these single-use materials. And we know that food production is really resource intensive. It involves a lot of water and a lot of energy, a lot of fertilizer, a lot of resources. And so the compostable product is going to also inherit that higher environmental footprint as a result. There are also these type of compostable fiber bowls. One of the issues with these is that the fibers absorb water easily, and so you need to put something on the surface of the fibers to repel the water. Sometimes they're using PFAS, which is a forever chemical that is used to repel water and is really harmful for human and animal health. A lot of compostables no longer use PFAS because you can't be certified BPI compostable and use it, but I still question what is the coating that they're using to make it water repellent? And what is the impact of that coating on our health? In addition, the performance of compostables, especially those fiber bowls, can be suboptimal. They can leak pretty easily. If you have a compostable fork, it's less strong and that breaks. And they're expensive. They're more expensive than other single-use materials. So instead of businesses switching from single-use plastics to single-use compostables, I suggest businesses just ditch single-use products altogether. Switch to reusable systems and put your money there.